Hey everyone, I want to show you quickly how to go live on Facebook. Yesterday I went in to do a live presentation in a group and I noted that everything was 100% different on the back end. And thankfully it was a very casual experience. It wasn't me like launching something new that was, terrifying. But I wanted to quickly provide a little tutorial on how it has changed. I haven't tried it from my phone yet, how that looks different, but from your computer now, if you're in a group or on a page, it's going to look like this. You're going to pull up, now it comes like this. So they've completely switched everything around. And I was sitting here thinking, what on earth is happening? I'm scrolling over here. I'm trying to press go live. Nothing is happening. So it will give you this, waiting for live video. You scroll this back up, you go up here, you find the stream keys, and if you click down, you can, if you're using a stream key, you can do that. If you're using this fancy stuff, you can do that. But if you're just going live with your camera, you just change it to camera. And at that point in time, it'll show you that your camera is working down here. You can testing, you can type in here, I'm testing the live, and then you're going to hit go live. I'm not actually going to do that right now because we have someone getting ready to read a children's book on our page, so I don't want to cause that issue. But when you go live, what I noticed yesterday was that it looks like it's spinning round and round and round. First of all, the video is lagging tremendously. This was a problem in both of them yesterday. But you can choose where it's going, share in a group, share in a timeline. You can choose which page you go live, and it spins in a circle for a minute. But as it is, you're actually, once you hit go live, if the red light is on, you are actually live in the recording, even if it's spinning and spinning. So be careful of that. If you're planning on using live as part of your audience growth right now, I would highly, highly suggest you go in there and do some test runs when it's a low volume time for your audience, or just let them know, hey, I'm just testing here. Let me see what's going on. And then once it finishes, you can go and see what it looked like. So here's what I mean. When I went to the video afterwards to see the presentation that I did, go to videos, go to see the most recent one. This was yesterday. So you can see I was sitting here thinking, because it was just, the video was twirling and twirling and twirling, and I didn't think it was live because it didn't show that the red button was on, but it did not show that it was live. So I sat here for several minutes twiddling around waiting for it to turn on, and anybody who reaches the replay sees sees that I was just sitting there for like a minute and a half. So as soon as the red video goes on, you can go ahead and press play. But it is crazy how laggy that video is. The sound was good, but the video is awful. I hope that's just because so many people are on the internet and that it's going to get better. As a secondary tool, you can also record yourself. You can use a screen recorder so that you have a backup recording if you'd like, but it was really laggy at the beginning. All right, that's how you use Facebook Live as of March 24th, 2020.